Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to introduce a JavaScript library that can save you time and headaches during web development. The SVG Placeholder library. You know the drill, you're knee-deep in a project, mocking up layouts, and you need placeholder images. Traditionally, we've relied on services like Unsplash, placehold.co, or Pixum Photos. But let me tell you, that can be risky business. For example, a few months back, Unsplash changed their API. And guess what? The image URLs on my demo pages all broke. I spent hours manually fixing hundreds of pages. It was a nightmare. That's where SVG Placeholder comes in. This lightweight JavaScript library is about to make your life so much easier. When you're building a website layout, you know you'll need images eventually, but you don't have them yet. Instead of leaving those spaces empty or hunting for temporary images, SVG Placeholder library dynamically generates colorful, unique SVGs right within your project. Now, let's see how easy it is to use. Grab the library. You can find it on csscript.com or the official GitHub repo. Include the script. Just drop the placeholder JS file into your HTML like this. Use special classes. Add img elements where you want the placeholders, and give them classes like placeholder 400,300, where 400 is the width and 300 is the height in pixels. That's it. The library automatically replaces these elements with SVG placeholders. But wait, there's more. These aren't just boring, static placeholders. Each one is unique, with random shapes and even cute Unicode emoticons. It's like having a tiny art generator right in your layout. Give it a try on your next project and see how it transforms your workflow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more web dev resources. And hey, drop a comment if you have any questions or cool ideas for using SVG Placeholder. Happy coding!